If you're experiencing lag spikes while playing Red Dead Redemption 2, follow these steps to improve your gaming experience. This guide will help you troubleshoot and optimize your setup. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Use a wired connection if possible, as it typically provides a more reliable connection than Wi-Fi. You can also run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth or system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming services, and other online applications that can affect game performance. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings to reduce the load on your system. This can help improve performance and reduce lag spikes. Focus on settings like texture quality, shadows, and anti-aliasing. Step 4. Update drivers and software. Make sure your graphics card drivers and game software are up to date. Manufacturers often release updates that can improve performance and fix bugs. Check for updates through the game launcher or your graphics card's software. Step 5. Optimize network settings. Adjust your router settings to prioritize gaming traffic. Enable quality of service QoS settings if available, and consider changing your DNS settings to a faster server like Google DNS or OpenDNS for improved connectivity. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gameplay experience. Enjoy your time in Red Dead Redemption 2.